Alright folks, let's talk cryptocurrency. It's like the Wild West out there. But instead of saloons and tumbleweeds, we've got Bitcoin and Ethereum. What is it? Think of it as digital money. No physical coins, just ones and zeros zipping around the internet. But here's the kicker. It's decentralized. That means no banks, no governments, just pure, unadulterated digital transactions.
Remember the gold rush? Everyone and their grandma was out there panning for nuggets. Cryptocurrency is kind of like that, except instead of shovels and pickaxes, you've got nerds with laptops mining for digital gold. But it's not just about getting rich quick. Cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money. Stay with me, folks. It's about to get interesting. Now, the backbone of all this crypto craziness is something called blockchain. Don't let the tech jargon scare you. It's actually pretty simple. Imagine a giant public spreadsheet. This spreadsheet keeps track of every single cryptocurrency transaction ever made. This spreadsheet is the blockchain.
Every time someone buys or sells cryptocurrency, it's like adding a new line to this spreadsheet. And here's the best part. This spreadsheet isn't controlled by any one person or institution. It's distributed across a network of computers all over the world. This means it's incredibly secure. To hack it, you'd have to hack every single computer on the network simultaneously. Good luck with that.
Okay, so we've got digital money secured by a super spreadsheet. What can you actually do with it? Well, for starters, you can buy stuff. More and more businesses are starting to accept cryptocurrency as payment. You can buy everything from pizza to plane tickets with Bitcoin these days.
But it's not just about buying lattes and plane tickets. Cryptocurrency is also an investment opportunity. Remember the gold rush analogy? People are buying and holding cryptocurrency, hoping its value will go up in the future.
And then there's the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi. Think of it as traditional finance, but without the middleman. You can lend, borrow, and even earn interest on your cryptocurrency, all without going through a bank.
Section 4, Safety and Security, a new era of trust. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but is it safe?
And it's a valid question. After all, we're talking about your hard-earned money here.
The good news is, cryptocurrency is actually incredibly secure. Remember the blockchain, that super spreadsheet we talked about?
Well, it's protected by something called cryptography. It's basically a super complex code that makes it virtually impossible to counterfeit or double spend cryptocurrency.
And because cryptocurrency is decentralized, there's no single point of failure. It's not like a bank where one hack could compromise the entire system.
That being said, it's important to be cautious. Do your research, choose reputable exchanges, and always store your cryptocurrency securely.
Section 5, the future of finance, a crystal ball of possibilities. So what does the future hold for cryptocurrency?
Well, it's still early days, but the potential is enormous. Some experts believe cryptocurrency could eventually replace traditional currency altogether. Imagine a world where you can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly, and for a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. That's the promise of cryptocurrency.
Of course, there are risks and challenges ahead. Volatility, regulation, and scalability are all issues that need to be addressed.
But if cryptocurrency can overcome these hurdles, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about and interact with money.
So, buckle up, folks. The cryptocurrency roller coaster is just getting started.